Hello, my friends. Did you see me on HSN a couple years ago when I took these cute little eggs on the air? Well, guess what, my friends? They are now available on our website. Finally, I can't wait to share them with you. Stay tuned. But first, we have some fun things. Now, on the 25th of the month, we always do like a catch-up day, meaning items that I took on HSN or items that I had with the other company or items we have extra of, we finally get to put on the website. So, some of these items are limited edition. Once they're gone forever. So if you're watching this video in the future and you cannot find one of these items, guess what? I'm sorry, they're gone. So grab it while you can. The first item is a fun assorted bold ribbon set. You have two browns, you have a pink, you have a yellow, and you have a spearmint green. Again, once it's gone forever. Ken found some of these. He's like, let's put them on the website. Let's move them out. So boom, once they're gone, they're gone. Also limited edition is our heart ring stencil. Perfect for Valentine's Day or any kind of day, especially like an I love you card. But once it's gone, it's gone. Also, more stencils, tri-dot stencils. You can tell I went to the website. You can tell I went to the warehouse and found some stencils. And the Modern Plus. All three of these, limited edition. Once they're gone for good. Okay, get them quick. Also on the website, oh, this is limited, another limited item, the Fairytale collection. If you were able to get our Fairytale kit, let me tell you, it flew out the door. Literally, I think that dragon's wings started flapping and they all flew out the window. But we have some paper pads left, limited edition. Once they're gone forever. Now, we are also adding to our website the holographic paper that were available in that kit. So if you missed out on that kit, now is your chance to get these fun holographic whoa, look at some of those. Look at that. What? I know, some of these I've already used. So look, I've already used this one, but look how fun that is. I made the dragon out of this one. Get them. This is awesome. Now, on HSN, as I mentioned, I took this fun Easter egg. And look at how cute these little samples are. And yes, you can cut felt with these. Look at how cute that is with the yellow felt. But, oh, hang on, I want to show it to you. Now, the pieces that that come out, right? You make another card with. So here's those extra pieces. I know, isn't that awesome? So fun. Easter egg shaped cards. I love them. Now we've done other Easter eggs in the past, but this one is the first time ever been on our website. I took it on HSN alone. A dragon. I meant dragon. A dinosaur. Rawr. Is that the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life? Oh my goodness. Okay. Now, another item that I took on HSN, I believe a couple years ago. So some of you have been waiting a long time. We've reordered these items. They are now available on our website, finally, for the first time. The Easter Kids. Now, there was Easter Kid Chick that is available on our website now. I released that for us originally, but these are the two kids that I took on HSN. Cute little egg, so adorable. Coordinates with this egg, right? Look how cute. And a cute little kid dressed up as a bunny. Yes, there's dies that match. Now, lots of samples on those. Let me share it with you. But first, last but not least, grass. If you missed out on the grass stamp and the stamp pad and the refill, now is your chance to get them. Oh, and by the way, the mini pad just came out as well for grass. Yay, love that green. Now, let's look at more of the samples. Of course, we have some fun, beautiful stuffies that Michelle made. Aren't those gorgeous? I absolutely love them. Then we have some fun samples. So let's look at these. Look at those cute little eggs. Look at those little guys. They're all dressed up for Easter. Aren't they adorable? I love them. Or put one on a step-up card. So fun, so cute. Look at how cute this little guy is, all dressed up for Easter. I absolutely love him. Here's another cute one. So fun. Look at that little outfit. I just love that little outfit. When Kirsten was a little girl, she was 18 months, I made her a bunny outfit for Christmas. I'm sorry, for Halloween, and she wore it all the time. Reminds me of this one right here. Look at this little guy poking out his little head. I just love it. Oh, look how fun this one is. On a slim line. See, lots of different options. Now let's look at a couple more Easter egg options. Here's a cute one. Easter blessings to you. Here's a, glitter paper with that fun butterfly. Ooh, a chocolate egg. Oh, now I'm hungry. chocolate egg. Yes, love it. Love that. And to make the bite marks, you know what? Want me to tell you a secret? It's just a scalloped circle. I know, isn't that perfect? I love it. Now here's a cute chocolate one with another cute egg guy. And oh, here's a cute one. Big birthday wishes. Open it up and there's a dinosaur in there. I love it. Now, yay, you can finally get these products, but don't forget, a lot of these were limited edition. Once they're gone, I'm sorry, my friends, they're gone forever. So get them now while they're available, because you know what? You don't want to miss out, especially on some of those stencils. We all love our stencils, don't we? Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.